Today, we gather not just as individuals or institutions, but as one united front with a shared purpose to end one of the most preventable cancers of our time. Cervical cancer elimination is within reach, guided by the global 90-70-90 targets, protecting 90% of girls through HPV vaccination, screening 70% of women, and treating 90% of those who need care. This gong we are about to strike is more than a symbol. It is a call to action, a call for stronger collaboration, deeper commitment, and collective responsibility.
Thank you, Dr. Ryan. Please stay beside our stage. We now would like to welcome on stage our fellow advocates. We would like to call back Ms. Carmen Auste, Vice President of the Cancer Coalition Philippines, Mr. Teodoro Padilla, Executive Director of PHA, Dr. Cristia Padolina, Program Director for Cervical Cancer Elimination of AOFO, Dr. Ana Victoria D. Echo, Chair of the POCS Committee on Women's Cancers. We'd also like to call back on stage Mayor Dr. Criseline Abadilla of Bana, Ilocos Norte, Dr. Anthony Calibo, Technical Advisor of Jepaigo, Philippines, Dr. Vanessa Torres Ticson, President of the Philippine Society of Adolescent Medicine, Ms. Crizelle Cleo Fowler, Senior Program Researcher of UP Manila, UP-NIH Uplift, Dr. Ricardo Manalastas of the Philippine Infectious Diseases Society for Obstetrics and Gynecology, Dr. Michelle Mangubat, President of the Society of Adolescent Medicine of the Philippines, Dr. Margaret Maanyo, Vice President of the Society of Adolescent Medicine of the Philippines, Dr. Maria Aleli Malik, President of the Society of Gynecologic Oncologists of the Philippines, Dr. Filomena San Juan, President of Asia-Oceania Research Organization on Genital Infections and Neoplasia or AUGIN, and from the Philippine Society for Cervical Pathology and Colposcopy, Dr. Rene Vina Sikam, Dr. Jenaline Amparo, President and Vice President, respectively. Finally, we'd also like to invite the Board of Trustees as well as our other medical experts from the Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecological Society to join our advocates on stage. Finally, to round out our guests, we are also privileged to invite and to hear from a globally recognized expert. She received recognition from the International Federation of Gynecology and Obstetrics, or FIGO, for her outstanding contribution to women's health. She is also the 2026 Chien Tien Su Memorial Lecturer of the Asia and Oceania Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Dr. Lourdes Blanco Capito.